Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel, dealing with high-pressure hydraulic oil leakage. Hydraulic systems power essential equipment like steering gear, cargo pumps, and deck machinery. A high-pressure leak poses immediate risks of severe injury due to injection hazard and fire, demanding a swift and precise response. The very first rule is immediate personnel safety. Hydraulic oil pressures can exceed several thousand pounds per square inch, or PSI. A pinhole leak can release a jet of oil capable of penetrating skin and causing catastrophic internal injuries. Never attempt to stop a high-pressure leak with your hand, rag, or any body part. The area must be immediately cordoned off, and personnel must wear full personal protective equipment, or PPE, including safety glasses, heavy gloves, and long sleeves. The second step is system isolation. The primary goal is to depressurize the system as quickly and safely as possible. The engineer must go directly to the power unit for the affected system, for example the steering gear pump, and press the emergency stop button. This shuts down the electric motor driving the pump. Once the pump is off, the system's accumulator, if fitted, must be bled down using the appropriate bleed valve to remove residual pressure. This ensures the line is completely safe to approach. The next step is leak identification and containment. Once the pressure is zero, the exact source of the leak, which might be a cracked hose, a failed fitting, or a ruptured pipe, is identified. A pan or absorbent boom is placed immediately to contain the spilled oil and prevent it from spreading over hot surfaces or machinery foundations. Hydraulic oil on deck plates is a severe slip hazard and must be cleaned up immediately using oil-absorbing granules or pads. Following containment is repair and replacement. High-pressure hydraulic hoses and pipes are specialized components. They must be replaced, never temporarily repaired. The replacement hose or pipe must match the original specifications exactly, including the pressure rating, diameter, and fitting type. After installation, all joints are checked for proper torque and security. Never use parts with a lower pressure rating. Finally, system recommissioning and testing. The system is then slowly refilled and vented to remove any trapped air, a process known as bleeding. The system is brought up to its normal operating pressure. The repaired area is then thoroughly inspected under pressure to confirm the repair is successful and leak-free. All recovered oil is properly disposed of via the ship's waste oil management system, and a full report of the incident and repair is logged in the planned maintenance system. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.